What's up? Morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good night, good evening, whatever. Anyways, all right. So I'm back here today. Got some plans for today. I'm gonna be pulling off my turbo today, bringing it to a friend's place here in Miami. To get a new manifold. Well, not manifold. I'm gonna get a different adapter welded onto the where the wastegate goes, and also I need to cut the front part of my turbo again and put another elbow on there, and so I can neat up the inside part of this car. Yeah, started to change the rims on the car already, but I just can't get no tires for the front because everywhere that I go they don't have no tires to fit the front. And yeah, my cousin's car, that's it right there with the rims. We're gonna do a little bit of drop on there too. So yeah, we'll see if I can find somewhere to put up my camera. Well, my phone actually, because I'm recording from my phone. See if I could do a time lapse on the phone here, because I'm doing the stuff from my phone right now. My next camera that I got, I just posted up, so I'm gonna get a different camera with way better quality, probably just as good quality as this, to start recording videos that I can mount up in the car and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna start pulling out this turbo and the manifold and stuff. I think hopefully I could get the whole manifold and the turbo off at once. That make it a lot easier for me. Or I could probably just pull the front of it. But let's see what happens. I'm gonna go grab some tools right now and get started with this thing. Right now it's 8:37. I'm gonna try to see if I get to the place by about 9:30, because I want to get back home and put the turbo back on the car today. So hopefully that works. All right, so I'm about to start doing this right now. I think I'm just gonna have to separate this front part of the turbo, and then take off my downpipe, and just pull these with the rest of the stuff. You ever see where my phone is going right now? Shit, that's not even a mount. I don't know what the hell that is. One little tight strap hooked up on the grill, and that's it. But yeah, I'm about to start pulling this off because my day is going right now. I don't know, but for some weird reason, freaking turbo seemed like it got stuck up inside the exhaust housing and didn't want to come out. So I had to give it a little bit of motivation to get its ass out of there. So yeah, that's how far. Oh shit, my bad. That's how far I'm at right now. With it. Oh my god. This thing is annoying the hell out of me. I just had to spray some stuff on there to try to give it some motivation to get its ass out of there. Take this out. I'm gonna respray it. All these things to see if it looks better. Which, yeah, I know it's gonna look better anyway, but yeah, I'm just gonna respray it. Probably I shouldn't even do that. I just loosened this right here. Oh man. Yeah, that's really big. Had to spray some, like some, what the hell that thing, the name of that thing is? Shit, I don't even see what the hell I did at the bottom. Oh yeah, some penetrating blaster or whatever the shit it is on there. You give it some motivation by prying it off. Yeah, now I want to act like a little prick. Oh man, I hate having to do these shit. Lord. Yeah, so what's up everybody? I'm here again. Shit. That sunburned me. So currently I'm heading down to the shop right now to go get the work done on the manifold and the turbo itself. Hopefully I'll come back on and put it on today. I think I might need to change one of my, no, I don't think I might need, I need to change one of my engine mounts also. I'd love to get it done today because once the turbo goes back on, it's harder to do that, for me at least, because I don't have a lift. I basically have to jack the car up and do all of that. So yeah, I'm heading down to the shop right now. Go get it. And I actually told him 9:30. It's actually 10:13 right now. So yeah, hopefully I get this done because I got to go to sleep to go back to work, and I'm tired, as you can see. So yeah, go ahead this road. Golly, everywhere I damn go, this mosquito going with me. Yeah, let me go get this done. All right, so a quick little update. I just got the 3-inch elbow, and also I got the wastegate. Now a lot of people's gonna look on this wastegate and be like, "Oh, that's a cheap Chinese wastegate." Absolutely it is, but there's a few stuff done to it. Let me kind of go it over right now. This is the new version of the water cooling. Not gonna be using the water cooling, so I'm gonna block off that top hole right there, this big one, and the other one on the side around the next one on the side around here. Now if you look down there, you see some grease. It has been machined to have a better fit. Also, the diaphragm on the inside has been changed to the original one. So that is basically a $300+ wastegate for a fraction of the cost. So this is going to work perfectly. I have all the fittings right now. I'm going to go get this part right here welded onto my manifold, and the other part welded onto my turbo. So yeah, a lot of people don't want to use them. I mean, everybody's got their own opinions, you know. As long as you change that diaphragm out, you do some machining on it. Nothing hard. It works just like the one you pay how much hundreds of dollars for. So yeah, I want to see if I can get that done today. Well, I'm actually heading over to the place right now. I'm gonna go back home and put the turbo on. I'm gonna spray that manifold in like a high heat thing here today, so it actually looks better and not rusted. Tired of looking down the car and seeing the way it looks like that. So yeah, let me head over to the shop. I'm about like 2 minutes away from the shop right now. What's up, y'all? Morning. So I'm starting another video right now on a different day. I brought the stuff down to the place yesterday, got the thing welded on and whatever, and I'm currently here right now about to change this engine mount. But I'm gonna pull it off and check it and see, and kind of clean up in here somewhat and whatever. Need to see if that's the bad one or if this one is the bad one or what, and then change it because I bought one mount. So this right here is the update for right now. It's my cartridge right there for the turbo. I got this right here cut off and re-welded, and that's what I did to my manifold. Well, actually this, I'm just here spraying it right now with some high temp spray, and I'm gonna put that back on the car. This right here, as I was saying yesterday, this is the wastegate. Yeah, it's a eBay wastegate, but the internals has been changed, and It's been worked on. You can see down there with the, there's a little bit of lube grease on there. It was sanded also. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on today. Test the car, make sure everything works properly. Yeah, so that's where it's at right now. And this thing looks actually pretty good. I don't think it's gonna fail. They're all basically the same thing. It's just the internals are different and a little bit of build quality and whatever. But that has been rectified, so that's gonna work. So right now I'm changing this engine mount. Hopefully the one that I pulled off is the correct one, because I don't want to have to go back again, pulling the other side over there and all that. It's just a lot of work right now. I need to get this done. I'm actually just coming in from work, and I am tired. Just want to get this shit done right now. So when you go pull it off, I'll get right back with y'all. Alright, so I'm back. I'm about to put the manifold on the car right now. I changed the engine mount already. I'm about to put the manifold on there now. And get this thing here going. See that I was already down here, but I gotta clean that up. Don't watch that. I changed this and put a stopper on there. I gotta change this one, but I gotta get the proper one. This one's good for right now, but I gotta get the proper one for the other one. We put the manifold on, and then hopefully I could start this car today. Hopefully. I think I'm gonna let the wastegate stay on until I actually put the manifold on, and everything will go underneath the bottom of the car and put the wastegate on. Hopefully it fits, because well, it's supposed to fit, because I had this long one right there before. So it's supposed to fit. Man, the sun is already freaking hot. All right, what's up, everybody? So I'm back. Oh Lord, this thing. Next time I ever do this again, make sure to take the wastegate, put the wastegate on before I put the manifold on. I had to put that manifold on twice, loosen it up and whatever. Anyways, I'm done right now. I'm gonna do the first startup on there, see if everything works good. I'm gonna do the first startup on there now. Check everything, make sure no leaks, whatever. The wastegate is down there, right there, as you can see. So I'm gonna do the startup on it now, see if everything works good, and check it. I've been doing this thing here for more, and I'm tired like hell. And I think I need to go get 2 tires to put on the other rims that I'm putting on the car right now. All right, so hopefully my phone don't fall off of here. This is gonna be a first startup since the reinstall and improvements. Let's take a look. Alright, so it started up just fine. I mean, I didn't do anything to where it shouldn't start. I just want to see if there's any oil leaking or any. Make sure that everything is good again. I will start taking out these stuff off of here right now. Clean up. Oh man. Oh man, I got water dripping on my phone too. You see these things right here that burn off the exhaust. I don't know for how long that's gonna be. Gotta keep on watching it right now. Now I gotta let all this thing burn off. That's the annoying part about doing all these stuff. I really hope it could take the high heat like I said, because I'd be really, really disappointed to see it's already bubbling right there too. But yeah. Oh wow, it's bubbling a lot. Yeah, that thing look like it's all gonna bubble right off. Doesn't look like it's gonna stick. And it's making a lot of freaking smoke coming off the exhaust. Hopefully it bakes on there, because I'd be extremely disappointed, which it looks like that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, just checking for leaks, making sure that nothing is leaking. So far everything looks good. Everything looks good so far. So anyways, sign out now. I'll give y'all an update again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share the video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.